Hello there, it's Eldnar Nivek again. We're looking at A-level maths, the AQA and OCR A-level maths spec. There's a section in Core1 which says solve by substitution a pair of simultaneous equations where one is linear and one is quadratic. So there's our linear one and there's a quadratic one. So first of all, the linear one, we'll rearrange it. So we get x equals 6 minus y, and then we substitute for x to get y equals 6 minus y all squared. Multiply the bracket out, so 6 minus y times 6 minus y gives us 36 minus 12y plus y squared. So then we've got y squared plus 13y plus 36 equals 0. So we can solve that for y. And looking at that, we can see that the factors of 36 that add together to give minus 13 and minus 4 and minus 9. So we've got y minus 4 multiplied by y minus 9 equals 0, which gives us y equals 4. And if y equals 4, substituting that in x plus y equals 6, the original linear, we've got x plus 4 equals 6, so x equals 2. So that's one set of solutions when x equals 2, y equals 4. Look at the other value of x, sorry, the other value of y. We've got when y equals 9, using x plus y equals 6, but x plus 9 equals 6, which gives us x equals minus 3. So that solution is y equals 9 and x equals minus 3. So there are 2 points of intersection, one at x equals 2 and y equals 4, one at x equals minus 3 and 9. And we can guess what it looks like. There's the quadratic and there's a linear, and there are the 2 solutions, one there and one there. So here's another example. Here's a linear, y equals x minus 3, and here's a quadratic, y equals x squared minus 3x minus 8. So what we're going to do is substitute a value in the quadratic. So we'll rearrange that to get x equals y plus 3, and then we'll substitute for x in the quadratic. So we start with the linear, and then we'll substitute for x, so we've got y plus 3 all squared, minus 3 times x, which is minus 3 times y plus 3, minus 8. So, we find the value of y by expanding that first bracket. We'll get y squared, y plus 3 times y plus 3, is y squared plus 6y plus 9, doing the FOIL version or whichever way you like to do it. Then minus 3 times y is minus 3y, and minus 3 times plus 3 is minus 9, minus 8. Okay, then we'll collect the terms up. Collecting the terms up, we've got just 1y squared, we've got 6y minus 3y, which gives us plus 3y, and then collect the numbers up. I think we'll find that adds up to minus 8. So just rewriting that, I'm going to put y squared plus 2y minus 8 equals 0, rearranging that. That factorises to plus 4 and minus 2. So using the value of y equals minus 4, substituting back in the original linear equation, x equals y plus 3, gives us x equals minus 4 plus 3, which is minus 1. So that x equals minus 1 alongside y equals minus 4. Now for the solution where y equals 2, again we'll substitute in the original linear equation, which is x equals y plus 3, and that will lead us to this solution. X equals 5, y equals 2. So we've got that point or that point. Further example, can't have too many examples of these. The linear is y equals 2 minus x, and the quadratic is x squared minus y squared equals 8. We're going to have a different approach to this. You will notice that x squared minus y squared is a difference of 2 squares. So that gives us x minus y times x plus y. So we looked at earlier, called the difference of 2 squares. So if we substitute for y, put 2 minus x in for y, this time we're going to find x first, so we're doing a substitution in a different order, if you like. And if you collect all them up, you will see it comes out at 2 bracket 2x minus 2 equals 8. So we can solve for that. Which gives us x equals 3. Go back to the linear equation up there. So x equals 3 and y equals minus 1. Only one solution for that one. So only one solution. So that means that the straight line touches the parabola. If you crossed it, you get 2 solutions. So examples for you to try. Show the solutions for that pair of equations is 3, 4 or 4, 3. Another one. There's your linear equation. And there's a quadratic. Same quadratic actually, just a different linear equation. You might recognise that x squared plus y squared equals 25. again. So see if you can find a solution for that. So that's solving by substitution. Thanks for watching. Hope you look at my next video.